Let's roast some groundnuts. Food safety matters first, so wash your groundnuts thoroughly. The second step is to salt them by soaking them in water, room temperature water. Just make sure you add salt according to your preference. Let them soak for about 20 minutes or as long as you want. Just remember that the longer you soak them, the saltier they'll be. Then finally drain the water and you're ready to go into the oven. Evenly spread them on your baking tray and preheat your oven for 10 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Roast the groundnuts for about 25 minutes or simply until they're ready according to the texture that you like. But remember to turn in between 1 or 2 times to make sure they are evenly roasted. And that's it. Let it cool and enjoy. Yes, we're embracing food diversity. And yes, we're eating some groundnuts too. Keep it here for more food and agricultural content, and I will see you in the next one. Kwaheri.